Hi children, today I am going to explain comparing unlike fractions. Okay, unlike fractions with the same numerator. Consider a pair of unlike fractions 1 by 3 and 1 by 5 in which the numerator is the same, which is greater, which is smaller denominator that is greater. See here in previous classes, like fraction which is like fractions same denominators but which is greater numerator that is greater fraction. Understand? See here, two fractions are unlike if they have different denominators. For example, 1 by 3 and 1 by 5 are like fractions, so are 2 by 3 and 3 by 5. Unlike fractions with the same numerator. Yes. See here children, compare 4 by 5 and 5 by 6. The fractions are unlike fractions. Their numerators are different. Yes. Let us write their equivalent fractions. Okay. First you write 4 by 5 equivalent fractions all, 5 by 6 equivalent fractions, same denominator you have to take. Which is same denominator? This one and this one. 24 by 30, 25 by 30. Compare now. First you have to write equivalent fraction of these two fractions. After you have to find out the same denominator fractions in these two fractions. Okay, see here 24 by 30, 25 by 30, and compare these two fractions. These two are unlike fractions now. So now we have to compare these two fractions, which is greater and which is smaller. In like fractions, which is greater numerator that is greater fraction. In unlike fractions, which is smaller denominator that is greater fraction. Understand? See here, the equivalent fractions with the same denominator are, these two are same denominator, which is greater numerator that is greater fraction. 5 by 6 is a greater fraction. Understand? Example, compare 5 by 6 and 13 by 15. Same denominator you have to make. 5 by 6, 25 by 30, and this one you have to multiply 2 to 26 divided by 30. Okay, 26 divided by 30 is greater than 25 by 30. Okay, I hope you understand these two examples. Let us see exercise 7.4. Write shaded portion as fractions. Arrange them in ascending and descending order using correct sign. Okay, greater than, equal, or smaller than, equal, greater than, between the fractions. Okay, see here children, first you have to write the fractions. After you have to arrange the ascending and descending order. But all are same denominator. Now you have to write ascending and descending order. First you have to write fractions, these figures. After you have to arrange the ascending and descending order. Some equal fractions are there. There you have to put equal sign. Okay. See here, show 2 by 6, 4 by 6, 8 by 6 and 6 by 6 on the number line. Very easy. Put appropriate signs between the fractions given. Okay, very easy. All are like fractions are there. You have to put equal sign or some greater fractions are there, smaller fractions are there. Compare these two fractions and put sign. Okay, very easy. You have to clearly see previous videos after you have to solve these problems. Okay, compare the fractions and put an appropriate sign. Okay, this one also, some like fractions are there, some unlike fractions are there. Very easy, you have to put sign. Okay, make 5 more such pairs and put appropriate signs. You have to take some more examples. For 5 examples, put equal sign and appropriate sign you have to put. Okay, next, see here, look at the figures and write greater than, smaller than or greater than and equal between the given pairs of fractions. Okay, compare this figure this one. After you have to put here some example based on this figure. Some examples are there. 1 by 6, 1 by 3, 1 by 6, 1 by 3 is there. 1 by 3, 1 by 6. Which is greater, which is smaller, you have to write. Make 5 more such problems and solve them with your friends. This is not necessary. You solve based on this figure, you have to solve A, B, C, D, E problems. Okay. Next, how quickly can you do this? Fill appropriate sign greater than, smaller than, smaller than, equal, greater than. You have to, these fractions are some like fractions, some unlike fractions are there. You have to make some equivalent fractions. After you have make denominator, you have to make same. After you have to put this one. Okay, same previous dislike problems. Okay, previous problems you have to solve first. After you have to solve these problems. If any doubt, tomorrow I will solve one problem on based on this exercise problems. Today we have to complete 7.4. Today complete this one. Okay, 5 up to 5, 1 to 5 problems. Very easy problems. Based on previous examples, these problems are there. Okay, solve clearly. First you have to make equivalent fractions. Otherwise some like fractions are there. You have to solve easily, put easily appropriate sign. Otherwise you have some problems are unequal, unlike fractions. So you have to make equivalent fractions. After you have to put sign. Okay, very easy. Complete it today. First you have to clearly see, compare these fraction examples. After you have to solve 7.4. Today only complete 1 to 5. Okay, thank you.